What's good, beautiful people? I hope you're having a wonderful and amazing day. But here with the General Chef Boom Boom, you get what I say? What him saying? So we're gonna make goatee pokey biryani. Let me say that again. Goatee pokey biryani.
Say it 3 times fast.
Goatee pokey biryani. Goatee pokey biryani. So guys, yeah man, stick around and watch what I go on. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. Share and tell a friend to tell a friend, alright? Yeah man, big up.
So, good evening people. What's going on? Welcome back to my kitchen. So in this meal right now, in this little pan right now, so I have pork and goat. Alright? So I'm gonna make a special dish today. It's called Porky Goatee Biryani.
Yes sir.
Porky Goatee Biryani.
Yes sir.
Porky Goatee Biryani. Porky Goatee Biryani. Porky Goatee Biryani. When I first came up with this dish the other day, I was holding a meditation. And I'm like, yo, no. This dish right here, I for call Tyrone and tell them about it. Say, yo, bossy, yo. Next time dish I was gonna be bad. Goatee porky biryani. So what I'm doing right now, people, I'm just basically washing this meat. Washing this lovely, fresh Jamaican mutton and pork. People, if you can't smell this, you can't smell how the running rank. At this time now, people, turn the camera up on me. I will not be sharing any food. I don't want nobody to come and say, yeah, me take too much meat in my bowl. Tyrone will share all the food to this.
Nah, go say
Me not share enough food. Me just cook food and Tyrone will be sharing the food. You hear me?
Alright sir.
Yeah, I'll hold the camera.
Alright sir.
Yes. So I'll put some of this vinegar on it. Alright, get that rawness off of it. Some, yeah. Rawness off of it. Yep. So what I'm gonna do now is just throw off the water, put in a separate container, and then season it up. Some green onions, aka escellion. So I'm gonna just cut them up in it. Chicken, no, porky goatee biryani.
Yes sir.
Porky goatee biryani. Yeah, that's what I go on. So never spice everything on the table, people. So you don't know. Alright. So how much pepper?
See it there? One scotchy, me boss.
One scotchy?
One scotchy.
Alright, no seed.
No.
No seed. Okay, no seed. Alright. So I'm gonna cut up the onion. Yo, thank everybody for subscribing and liking the video, you see me? And shouting out to Boom Boom and all them things. Yeah man, more dishes are come. More and beautiful dishes. Like this one, we just have a meditation the other day. I say, yo Tyrone! Yo! You know what we need to do? The goatee porky biryani.
Say it again one more time.
The goatee porky biryani. Alright, so I hope I'm not going to disrespect no country, because I know they don't eat pork, but you know, so I put it in this today and say, yeah, do the Jamaican way, Jamaican style. Right?
What is
this season, Tyrone?
People, last time I checked, I still learn for read. Still learn for read.
Alright, boom bam. Alright. So again, more to call it out, people, but not say no word. More to tell me the seasoning, alright? What is this? This is a look and tell. See it? Look and tell. Okay. Wow! No, and a bossy no?
Somebody call the police.
Call the police for me? No,
call the police for we.
Just in the back.
Tell them to come grab a plate and goatee porky.
Goatee porky.
Call the police for we. So everybody can hold a seat.
So here we go now.
So imagine for the little curry powder. Imagine for the curry powder. Hey, I put it on the goat and the pork. him a season with the curry powder.
Curry powder.
Man, the curry run your belly. So you happy bunny in a patty if it's swelly.
Yeah.
Put little salt on it. Put little salt on it. Make sure you have little.
No more than that. So when we just do salt. No other seasoning than that more than salt.
Straight.
So
no powder seasoning except
yes.
anything in a powder you curry it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we're going to run him up in this so make him look good. I don't want to get on my hand for people.
Curry has
TNA. I'm trying to say, and it's nice and beautiful. Cook on it. Cook on it, people. See that now? That's the reason why I'm going to take it out of it. The way I don't want no water on it. No water to touch the meter. So everything right now. Alright. Hands.
Nothing just here now going there.
No, at first I wasn't going to use my hand, but it's not wet. See?
Okay.
I didn't look at it. It's dry. See?
Okay.
So it's not going to get all of that. I didn't want any water in it. That's why I did that. So, boom, boom. I'm going to let this sit for about 45 minutes. Then start the ball rolling. See? People, chicken. What am I? I'm being like Tyrone. It's called Porky Goaty Biryani.
People.
Porky Goaty Biryani today, people. We're gonna eat some good food today, you hear? Porky Goaty Biryani.
Big up to the Indians, them, you
Big up
know.
to my friend, a big friend in India. I always have shout me out. That's it. So this is my garlic and my ginger. So this is steamed pepper garlic, and this is about a nice sized piece of ginger. So I can just put it there. This is the only wet ingredients in this, people. Wet ingredients, you understand? So let's spread them around and make him get that seasoning. I'm stuck on it. Right?
It just smell like when you have pineapple juice.
You know, I like to eat with ginger. I like it.
You know, say, if you tell people the truth, though, share something with the guys on the live, yeah. Me have a remember that car, you know, a pain in my mouth from my tooth. And take painkiller and thing, you know. I know, say, I want to make some ginger and garlic, mix up with some pineapple juice and so on, and drink it for 1 cup of day, and it pain ease me. The ginger, they really help, you know.
I believe it.
Yeah, man, the ginger and the garlic and the something, brother, man, I tell you. People, but they look like a claim of farm.
Yeah. Nice. So I just want to put
Inflammation and pain and something. Drink ginger, man. Detox your colon, drink ginger, man.
Let me tell you this.
Yeah, man.
If I go to the dentist and take out a teeth or any doctor give me pills, I don't want no pills.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want my natural remedy.
Yeah, man, because you don't go pretend feel the pain and numb it here, but you don't really get rid of the problem, you know. So, the ginger, them, man, I tell you. And the garlic, them, man. Work, brother.
Sorry, some of meat been sitting here for like what, 45 minutes now. So I'm gonna put some curry in the pot. And look with that turmeric. Yeah. So look a bit of the turmeric.
So why you burn the curry?
So it doesn't burn your stomach or your running day.
Okay.
Alright, I get my wooden spoon. Wooden spoon. So I'm gonna just burn up the curry right now. As you can see, it is burning. Stir it up. No metal spoon. So there you go. We go and get some pepper. Okay, we're dropping piece by piece of the meat. So come on, the meat now come out of it. You know, come out of the pot. Alright, peeps. Piece by piece by piece by piece by piece by piece. Alright. A few minutes I can hear him. Alright. I'm done doing this now. So what I've been doing now, peeps, you know? So, ladies and gentlemen, right here I have some sweet potato, right? So I'm gonna peel the sweet potato then, man. So I'm gonna make some sweet potato salad. So I'm gonna have the water boil, I put a little salt in it, and I'll cut them in these pieces. Understand? One dice them.
One dice, yeah.
No, sir.
Take your time, yeah, sir.
Somebody wants some.
Probably a jockey, you know.
Somebody wants some, man.
Probably.
Yes.
Probably a Miss Varane.
Miss Varane? Oh, shall we say what a good, interesting food me cooking?
Yes.
And she wants some. What about June? June?
Yes.
June wants some.
Yes.
June wants some.
She want. You know, say the boom boom and I in the summertime, we're gonna have a little thing where people can come in and come eat some of the food. Yeah. We're gonna be available, man, you know? So if you're in the States and you want to come Jamaica, you can pin a number so you can forward it and come eat some of the food. All you need to do is just buy the food and we cook it and you get it to eat. You get me what I say?
Yeah.
Treat.
And if you want to try the coleslaw, I make the you can go ahead and get that bush cabbage for you, is it? And then you want it to be raw, you want it to cook. Hey, I got you.
See him, sir.
Yeah. So this is not gonna take long because I cut it diced up in small pieces, right? How much eggs do you want? 1 or 2? 1 egg. No, this is just basically stirring up my curry. Stirring it. What was on the bottom? Look at it now. Come to the top. Look at that now. Yo, I'm smelling this garlic. So good. Alright. So I'm throwing the water upon it now. You can see what I'm going, peeps. Ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? Welcome back to the cooking channel. What happened is basically I boil up some water, you don't know, so you can't put cold water on meat that is cooking. It's gonna be hard again. So here you go. You hear that now? You hear that bubbling? Instant bubble. Yeah? So there you go. And I can stay there and go and cook down. Look at that curry, Tyrone. Look at that curry. Alright, so I'm gonna pressure this for like a good 45 minutes.
Oh, this!
So ladies and gentlemen, I am Alkali Bayete Boom Boom.
What?
Alkali Bayete Boom Boom.
Okay.
You already know what Alkali Bayete Boom Boom means?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Alkali means leader. Bayete is reserved for African kings, especially the Zulu kings, royal families, isn't it? And then you don't know, boom, 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 boom. Yeah. So, we are here with the basmati. Basmati rice. So, we're going to use some of this rice, right?
Yes, sir.
To make our biryani dish. Alright, so, I'm going to bust it right here.
Do. Bust it right here, sir. Watch it on.
Call the police. Don't cut off your finger.
Somebody call him, medic.
How much are we? Just me and you?
Yes, sir.
So, now we have to measure the rice, people. Look, it says me and 2 person. This is the amount of rice you cook for 2 person, right?
Yes.
And it should be enough. So, alright. So that's 1 cup. Don't watch over the spillover. I just spill over. Alright. And the next one. Now watch that. That will be enough for just 2 persons. Remember, Chef Boom Boom tell you that. So what I'm going to do is just going to wash it off. Alright? I'm not going to wash it off. Just wash it. Who wash the rice? Leave that comment. Tell me, who wash the rice? Because some people don't wash rice. So I choose, so when you wash rice and you wash your face with it, you can't see dopey. Want to see some dopey?
You want to see Duffy?
Yeah, I want to see some dopey.
Watch movie if you want to see Duffy.
Alright, I got Tyrone said. Watch movie and see dopey. Look. So I'm going to boil up some sweet potato, Irish potato, alright? Boil already. Yep, boil already. Taking off the shells, peeps, you know? Making sure so everything nice. So let's just dice it up another hand. Push it up. Alright. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. The next one. Some mayo. understand? It'll boil up now. You can see, right? Cinnamon now. I got a scotch bonnet pepper. I got some cloves in my hand. I got my thyme. And I got some scallion. So I'm gonna put it up in there. And I got some onion here. So I'm gonna just put some onion in it. Huh? Spice them up a little bit. Give my Jamaican flavor. You see it? Alright. And you don't know me to put salt in it already. And everything, you see me? So, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This rice right here. And you don't know, so it's the video already, wash off the rice right? So, all of the rice are going on it. The whole of the rice are going on it. All of the rice. And your hands have to be clean. If you do this here. Now be a mama man, I count every rice cream and now and none left in the place here, so. Meantime, I'm going to go feed a joke here, man. So you don't know, peeps. See, so this rice is going to be half cooked, about 75% cooked. You see that now? That's the test to make sure so enough water is in the rice. And
yes, sir. See in that pot there.
So people, see my rice there. Rice cook. Oh yeah, not gonna take that
70%?
long. Yeah, 75%. 75%. Okay. No. Like that. Yeah. Enough water and everything. And enough rice.
Coffee.
Yeah.
See there.
You want to go take it
off? Eh? Oh, you gonna take it off? Be a watcher. Are you name what your name is? Are you name what your name? See the people in have a name for no reason at all.
Yeah, put it up there, sir.
Wow, sir. Go in it. See me, people.
Boom's lens.
Boom's lens.
Yeah. So right now, people, so the meat, everything done
pot
cooked.
Of curry.
One big pot of curry. What you call this now? Goaty porky. So I'm gonna put it in the pot. So meat don't have butter less. Yeah. And I tell you I'm not share no food this time. I tire on share. You know, nobody come talk about say boom boom plate full of papier meat. I don't want it.
It smells good, yeah?
If it smells good.
Yeah, good man.
Alright, put some of my gravy down here butter and so. Alright? Now, the rice, the Maggi rice.
The what?
Maggi.
Basmati rice, boy.
Baggy Maggi.
Mine is catch bonnet in the base there.
You see it there? It's down in there. You not touch it, man.
You don't reach here.
No, so what I'm going to do now, I just take a little spoon here. Yeah, the wooden spoon. Wooden spatula. Alright. Pat the rice down. Now I'm going to fry onions here. No.
You don't boast it today?
No, I'm not boasting it today. I'm not gonna go. So I'm gonna put some there, alright? Got me some butter. Well hot enough. I'm gonna sprinkle some more butter around the people. Not too much, that's it. Alright? Alright. Get some more meat. Pork. Goat. Who wants some? Who wants some of this? I want this, I want this, yeah. Kuya. Alright, look at me the gravy. Alright. Alright. More rice. And people look there. A 2 little cup of rice, this is that. Remember, you know, my hands swell rice. Alright, clove in this one. I'll put more rice in that time. I'll put more rice on that layer. Take up my little thyme, seasoning up, people. Well, seasoning up. I don't want the scotch bonnet pepper in it. See that? Aye. What we create? What we call it now? Porky goaty biryani. Porky goaty biryani. Dear meat, my gravy. See the peeps? Nice and delicious. Alright, so I'm gonna put some rice again, and I want the scallion in it. Green onion to be exact. Alright, okay. There.
Yes, man.
All the rice are going night, you know? All of the rice are going night. I'm a mama, man. I would want some. I would want some. Alright. And I'm gonna put the last bit of my onion, fried onions. Right here. Sprinkle it around. Round and roger. Wee-ha! Tyrone, when you tell the people how the rice are tasting, how this dish tastes. This is a one pot dish, people.
Alright, people, so what you have? What you have going on now? China pot ya, people. Should I give it a stir? Oh God. Give it a stir. Woo. Mama always say we share food from one side. Take it
I tried that last time and make you what? Oh.
Alright, boom. I set him a chair, set me up, you know.
But now there's no food. You tell
Set your chair, set me up right now, brother. See them, I take it from the base for you. From down in a oi.
That's my plate?
Yes, sir.
Stop.
You know what I'm on?
Dope. For right now.
Yeah. Alright, people, so.
Your plate now.
Yeah.
Now tell me if you have meat tonight, no people are rice now.
So I may share for myself.
Yeah, share for yourself.
So if me get left, I me left myself. That's what I try to tell the people, let me say. People see him, I set me up, man. You know me now go share no whole heap, you know.
People him teeth better now, so him can name food. Is that?
Woo! Alright, people. Lucky pot a lie. Alright, what you are going to know? So this is boom boom famous potato salad, cool like ice, guys, in the fridge.
Sweet potato and Irish potato.
Alright, I just catch it on the side for you there. My boss, see there? You that?
Yeah, that's me.
Alright, my boss. Catch him up on the side, I lie.
Alright.
And I lie down. Never tell a lie.
Never tell a lie.
Alright, so here what? We're gonna finish it off, people, with some
greens.
Some greens, you know what I mean? I have to tear up my greens now, boom boom.
Just leave mine, me deal with mine.
Yeah.
Me deal with mine.
So my greens I have to tear up.
If you want some meat rice, give me this.
Alright, people. So we'll catch it on the side. You see it? See it there? Boom boom. 40 porky biryani, Jamaican style. Indians, Trinidadians, don't get vexed. You understand? We give them credit because them dish our food, creativity, and you know what I mean, people from the east, but kind of put a little Jamaican twist on it, you know what I mean? So thank you guys for that idea. So we give them no credit, you know what I mean? All love and peace. We are getting to the food, you know, because boom boom out around the water. Go over my boss. Alright, people, so here, this is the moment you have been waiting for, the food moment. Let us pray. Father, we thank you for this meal. We thank you for this opportunity again. Thank you that my mouth is healed, mighty God, and restored in the name of Jesus. We bless this food, God. Thank you for the brothers. Thank you for the sisters out there. And those who are subscribed and those who are about to. Bless them in Jesus' name. Amen. Cheers. Boom. Boy, you're hypey. People, you have to eat it with the lettuce. Hope you never burn up rice, you know. Come on, come look at this. People, boom boom wash the man, yeah? You wash him and let me adjust that thing.
Eating the goat right now, it's nice.
Huh?
What?
You wash your man, people. So, you know, say he's a clean youth. Wash your man.
delicious.
Onion. Catch me every time.
Catch a lie. A plate full of meat.
Plate of just meat, right amount. That's what. You see the lettuce, people? Lettuce and the rice. What?
It's our pork. Nice and juicy.
But people, sometimes I say, yo, I still not eat them food and I not get none, you know. Them food I need for share, boom boom. I tell you no lie. You get me? I say? Nah, I tell you no lie. I wish I could have given you some people. Take some cheap camera.
Don't forget, big up, big up.
You know me eat all type of food. It's a food, man. From vegan to meat.
Try the potato salad.
Right.
A green one.
Wow. People, I'm saying tell you now. How the food tastes, boom boom. Out of 10, it's a solid 10. Solid 10, my boy. Nah, lie.
You like it, man?
The other one was like a 8 because it had too much pepper. You know I mean, I love the pepper. But, solid 10. Yo, brother, this can go in a restaurant, you know.
Yep. A potato salad. Even just the meal itself. The goatee pork biryani.
Boom boom, tell them to do the HBO now.
Yeah.
Tell them to do the HBO for me.
Do the HBO, help a brother out, right?
By what?
HBO.
Subscribing
and
like
it and share the video, yeah? Please.
Have some. Eat there. Eat there.
People.
Potato salad alone could I eat.
People. Last week we're going to one style and this week is a different style. Understand? I want to say that dish 3 times fast. Goatee porky biryani.
Talk louder, man.
Goatee porky biryani.
What?
Goatee porky biryani.
What?
Goatee porky biryani.
Alright.
That's what we're having right now. Wow. The meat is so good, it's falling off the bones.
Well, yo. Plus, guess what, people? Guess what, people? We have soursop juice. Fit there? Well, soursop juice. What? Yeah, take hype now. Say I eat our food. My hype now, people. Ton money now.
And people may go for seconds.
Ton money now. See me, yeah? Soft. Pork soft, yeah?
Have I heard about this before? This dish?
The pork, yeah?
Goatee porky. Goatee porky.
And then every day I get up and I eat them food.
Big up all the followers who are watching right now. Big up my friend June.
Yeah?
Big up Jackie.
Watkins. What? Yeah. What?
Paula.
Big up Paula.
Let's get. God bless TV.
Yeah, man.
Bye.
Big up Bless K and Jobless.
Please like and share the video. God bless TV. I always have to say that. Big up yourself, bro. 100% love, yeah? How else am I supposed to live up? That's so much.
For you people.
Yo, and I like, you know, you. I'll be a boy, nigga.
People, I'm telling you, I said you want to set me up, you know. Want to set me up, man.
People, I'll be a boy, nigga.
You want to set me up, man.
A joke, yeah? It's nice.
People, pot there.
It's not going for a second. This rice is so good, yo. I would eat this rice every day. The bag money.
Basmati.
I best to do them. Basmati. Baggy. Wow. Good.
Pump up. Wicked like a judge. I see, I couldn't eat this.
Easy. Now you're eating. Give thanks.
Vegetable. Always a must.
Yeah, man. It's a must, yeah? Especially when you're eating rice.
Yo, do this. Do this. Do this.
Oh, you want me to do a when in the sandwich?
Yeah.
A lettuce sandwich with the rice?
Yes. Yes, just lettuce up it. Boom.
Bring it for that piece of meat, yeah.
Piece of meat,
Yeah. Him kindy. Jesus! Him kindy. Yo, I'm the son, you know. I love him.
Yeah.
I discovered a pokey roti vegetable sandwich.
Vegetable wrap.
Yeah, Tyrone finished up. Vegetable wrap. You know what's missing?
What?
A little bit of mayonnaise. Just a bread. I'm nice.
Woo! What is roti?
This is a goat meat.
Bad like a yard. Bad.
I want to say something.
Alright, people. You are going now. Boom boom there, say my vlogger.
So I have video now. On the video. So later on I watch my video. I watch Uno on the video.
Alright, the people here what? You saw what's up, Juice, yeah?
Cheers, bro.
Bototo. Boy, I drink half almost half it. See there? Plate empty. You get me? I say? Oh, that was good, brother. Nah, like even water come over here.
Nice.
Water come over here, people. Oh God.
Tell them off here what you just said a few minutes ago about you wouldn't know the difference between the goat.
Oh yeah, you don't know the difference between the goat meat and the pork meat. Because everybody cook together, so you don't really know. And so they used to fool Rasta back in the days, you know. Cook so sitting give them as a goat. Because Rasta, some Rasta we eat goat meat and fish, you know, and pork. So they mix the goat with the pork and chicks some Rasta man them. Burn a fire upon them people, they will do that still, you know what I mean? Because a man don't want it, nobody give it to him, you see it?
Exactly.
But people, that is it. Thank you very much for watching. You know what I mean? When I done now, I got a boom. I got a bam bam bam. I got a brrrr. You see me? Holy pie energy. Hey. It's a dance. You see me I say? So here what? Boom boom, I have to tell the people them. Look more.
Look more, thank you for the new subscribers and please do us a favor, HBO.
Help a brother out by hitting that subscription button right over here and liking that video. Hit that subscription button, that button that marks to subscribe on the video, and guys, like the video. You know what I mean? And watch the video. Watch the video them, man. Yeah, we love one watch them at least half of the video. Watch it to the end so it go out there so more people can see it. Road to 60k subscriber and counting, you know what I mean? Subscribe is important. loving you is important and bringing the good content is important as well. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself, man. When you want to come Jamaica, see the man himself, Chef Boom Boom. I say come buy up some food and cook some food and all a vibe. You don't know, say a certain go see table here, we can play some domino, can go a river, can do everything, man. Summertime I come up, you know what I mean, take a vacation, come out here and staycation. You get me and say, yeah man, this is Tyrone and this is the I Chef Boom Boom.
Alkali
You know?
Bayete Boom Boom to the world, yeah?
See that? So here what? In a little more people, big up on yourself, yeah? One love.